We begin with a developing story. Former chairman of the Firearm Licensing Authority FLA, Dennis Wright, has had to be relocated to a secure place following threats made against his life.
Mr. Wright is among 3 persons who the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF says the threat level against them is high.
The Jamaica Constabulary Force Police Friday stated that former FLA chairman Dennis Wright, former acting CEO Lincoln Allen, and the current CEO Shane Dalling have all received death threats. The police say they've received credible reports about the threats against the lives of the 3 men. It's why security has been ramped up. The current and former CEO both have increased security, while the former chairman, Mr. Wright, has been relocated to what the JCF calls a secure location. The Ministry of National Security describes the threat which has been made against Mr. Wright as specific and targeted. The ministry says the threat concerns the Dennis Wright-led board compiling the list of more than 200 persons of questionable character now being investigated. The ministry has condemned those who issued the threats. Meanwhile, our news center understands that National Security Advisor Anthony Anderson is being considered for the position of chairman of the FLA. The post became vacant earlier this month following the resignation of Dennis Wright and other members of the FLA board. This followed reports that firearm licenses were issued to persons of questionable character. FLA CEO Shane Dalling has said that the issues at the FLA are grave and concern national security. His comments came as the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA intensified its probe into the granting of some firearm licenses by the FLA.